Now, with some of our top local headlines, today Maddox Foss was sentenced to 4 years of probation for a Sarpy County fireworks attack last year. The attack left 2 men seriously injured and was all captured right here on a neighbor's camera. One victim suffered burns to the head and broken ribs. Another had a broken eye socket. Foss was 18 at the time of the July 4th assault. He had pleaded no contest back in February. Now, Foss was the third and final person sentenced in this case. His mother, Brittany King, will spend a minimum of 2 years in state prison. Her boyfriend, Jeremy Brown, was sentenced to 3 to 4 years.